Welcome to episode 12 of Lexoween. I'm so excited to do this makeup look. I'm doing this makeup look because it was like all viral all over TikTok a couple months ago, and I decided I wanted to try it myself. I'm wearing a black and white shirt just because, Venom's black and white. First, what I'm going to do is outline the part where I want my glam makeup look to go. This first is spot checking with some concealer. I wish I had a green color corrector. But the concealer I'm using is the e.l.f. Camo 16-hour one in the shade Fair Warm. I'm not gonna really worry about spot checking around this area right here because all this area is just gonna be covered with black. Using the Sassy and Chic BB Beauty Benefit Cream in like one and adding a little bit. To conceal in the spots that I need to, and really all I need to conceal is the inner corner of my eye and wing out the outer corner to lift my eyes up. I set my face with the Caudy Airspun Face Loose Powder. Do my eyebrows, take this eyeshadow, and it's in the shade Root Beer. I'm going to take this NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel and set the hairs in place. Eyeshadow. Into the Changeable Fantasy palette. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to do like a black outer corner and a white inner corner. So like a half and half moment. So I'm going to be taking a little bit of the black shade. I'm not gonna really pack it on right now, just because I don't want to mess it up. I'm just adding that to the crease and the lid. Now towards the outer corner, I'm just going to pack on some black just to make it darker. It is like a ombre effect from black, gray to white. I'm just going to drag that out into the middle. Okay, so I ended up messing up on the eyeshadow. I did both eyes instead of one eye, and the only eye that you're supposed to do is in the circle. But there's clips of me doing the other eye because it has important information for the eyeshadow look, so that's the only reason why it's in there. I just wanted to say this now so you guys don't mess up like I did if you are following this tutorial. So I'm going to take the white in the Changeable Fantasy palette, and for the white I'm just going to take a flat brush just because white's harder to pack on than it is black. And right now if it looks harsh in the middle, it's fine because we are going to be blending that out in a minute. Now I'm going to take a blending brush and just kind of blend these two out. What you're going to do is you're going to do a black winged liner or any eyeliner of your choice. You could just make it go across the eye, or you can do a wing. I prefer wings with some brown. into this Revolution Forever Dynamic palette. Take this white sparkly shade and add that to the inner corner. Do mascara and pin on lashes, but I'm going to do the lashes last just because I don't want my eyes to be bothered the whole time. Take this LA Colors I Love Makeup contour palette, contour the top of my forehead. Highlight, so I'm going to use this Arctic Culture highlight, and this is the Summer Haze Diamond Glow powder. Right now we are done with this side. I'm going to draw Venom's mouth out. So Venom's mouth is pretty big. I'm also going to do is map out where I want the eye to be. I'm going to be taking out my black and white cream makeup by the brand Rubies. I'm going to take a flat brush with the black. I'm going to fill in the little gaps. So I'm going to be taking the white face paint, mark like where the middle of the teeth line is. Move on to the teeth. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your white face paint and you're going to draw like little triangle marks. Is taking this pink cream makeup by Rubies and make gums. I'm gonna outline all right here with pink, and then in the middle of each teeth I'm going to fix lip the mouth a little bit off of camera, and then I will be back. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking some red to be adding it to where the pink is. gonna go back in with the black face paint. And draw little like squiggly lines. It's just to make it look like the Venom side is taking over like my real face, kind of. I'm gonna take my white face paint. I'm going to be doing the Venom eyeball now. I'm going to set it with white eyeshadow. Take some black and to outline the teeth again. And this will give it some depth. I'm not gonna go like press really hard just because I don't want it to be too black. You want to make sure that the teeth do pop out a little bit. Lashes, so I'm going to take this style right here of lashes. You're only going to need one. I'm finally done. I just did my neck for the thumbnails. I'm all done. I really like this eyeshadow look. Like, especially this one is really cute. For this video, please like, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell so you guys are notified every time I upload, because I upload every single Wednesday and Sunday. Go follow my TikTok, which is Alexia_YT. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.